Intelligence is the ability to adapt to change. However difficult life may seem, there is always something you can do and succeed at. Quiet people have the loudest minds. Life would be tragic if it weren't funny. People won't have time for you if you are always angry or complaining. The greatest enemy of knowledge is not ignorance. It is the illusion of knowledge. We are just an advanced breed of monkeys on a minor planet of a very average star. Work gives you meaning and purpose, and life is empty without it. I have noticed that even those who claim everything is predetermined, and that we can do nothing to change it, look before they cross the road. Keeping an active mind has been vital to my survival. It matters if you just don't give up. The past, like the future, is indefinite and exists only as a spectrum of possibilities. Science is not only a disciple of reason, but also one of romance and passion. Mankind's greatest achievements have come about by talking, and its greatest failures by not talking. We only have to look at ourselves to see how intelligent life might develop into something we wouldn't want to meet. The universe doesn't allow perfection. The thing about smart people is that they seem crazy to dumb people. I believe alien life is quite common in the universe, although intelligent life is less so. Women, they are a complete mystery. God may exist, but science can explain the universe without the need for a creator. I am just a child who has never grown up. To confine our attention to terrestrial matters would be to limit the human spirit. When one's expectations are reduced to zero, one really appreciates everything one does have. Time and space are finite, but unbounded. No one undertakes research in physics with the intention of winning a prize. It is the joy of discovering something no one knew before. If aliens visit us, the outcome would be much as when Columbus landed in America, which didn't turn out well for the Native Americans. My goal is simple. It is a complete understanding of the universe. The universe does not behave according to our preconceived ideas. It continues to surprise us. Without imperfection, you or I would not exist. If time travel is possible, where are the tourists from the future? There is no heaven or afterlife or broken-down computers. That is a fairy story for people afraid of the dark. We should seek the greatest value of our action. A one-way trip to Mars would be the best thing to do. There is no unique picture of reality. The world is a wonderful place. Eternity is a long time, especially towards the end. The downside of my celebrity is that I cannot go anywhere in the world without being recognized. we are in danger of destroying ourselves by our greed and stupidity. If I had to choose a superhero to be, I would pick Superman. The past is uncertain, and the future is unpredictable. I don't fear death, but I'm in no hurry to die. Time is a mystery we are still unraveling. Science can lift people out of poverty and cure disease. The boundary condition of the universe is that it has no boundary. Humanity is at risk, and we must leave Earth within 100 years. The rise of artificial intelligence could be the worst thing to happen to humanity. If you are disabled, you should concentrate on the things your disability doesn't prevent you from doing well. The universe is expanding, and so is our knowledge. The biggest enemy of progress is complacency. Understanding the universe gives meaning to life. Don't just look down at your feet. Look up at the stars. It is no good getting furious if you get stuck. What I do is keep thinking about the problem, but work on something else. Evolution has ensured that our brains are not equipped to visualize 11 dimensions directly. Intelligence is the ability to recognize patterns. People who boast about their IQ are losers. Theoretical physics is one of the few fields where being disabled is no handicap. We are just cosmic dust with consciousness. Even if there is only one possible unified theory, it is just a set of rules and equations. The will to survive is the most important thing in life. The more we learn, the more we realize how little we know. Our fate is in our own hands. One of the basic rules of the universe is that nothing is perfect. Our goal is to understand the fundamental principles of nature. Curiosity is the foundation of discovery. A black hole is not as black as it is painted. The most remarkable thing about the universe is that we can understand it. You should have a broad understanding of physics and mathematics. Black holes ain't as black as they are painted. Education is the key to the future. Keep looking up and never give up. I am not afraid of being wrong. The pursuit of knowledge is endless. Humanity's future depends on our ability to colonize space. The human brain is the most complex object in the universe. You can be crippled in body, but not in spirit. We must avoid self-destruction. The meaning of life is the meaning we create. The mind is limitless. If you understand the universe, you control your destiny. There is always a way forward. Imagination is more important than knowledge. Human nature is both our strength and our weakness. Even if life seems hard, keep going. Science is the poetry of reality. There is no prescribed destiny, only possibilities. Stay hungry for knowledge. Every discovery leads to more questions. If you want to travel in time, read a book. The search for the ultimate truth never ends. The cosmos is within us. Creativity is intelligence having fun. Math is the language of the universe. We are all stardust. Nothing is beyond human understanding. Every mistake teaches us something new. The unknown is what drives us forward. We are prisoners of our own perspective. A question unasked is an answer unknown. Understanding black holes is the key to understanding the universe. Let your curiosity guide you.